Hello and welcome to ZXRC. Tonight, got another custom build here. This will be my second custom build, and let's show you what I've got going on here. Alright, straight off the Amazon, we got a Power Hobbies package here. Injora LCG body. So let me get this thing opened up. We'll have a look at it.
Bad things, what could go wrong? Nothing brings but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no.
Okay, chassis rails, looks like skids, hardware, miscellaneous, that's a battery strap, body mounts, pins, yada yada. Power Hobby sticker set, chassis spacers, links, links, and that's more spacers. We must have two different widths here. Yep, wider and narrower. Okay, cool, there's the kit. Okay, I showed you the chassis. Now I'll show you the pieces I have kicking around for it. Red Cat controller. This is a Red Cat Gen 8 front axle assembly. Matching rear. Custom 3D printed servo on axle mount for the front. This is all just parts I had laying around from other builds. So Vanquish 35T motor. I got a 25 kg Red Cat servo. That looks like it's got my dig. That's cool, I've been looking for this. Awesome. Set that aside and rob that off of there. We got a 1080 ESC. We got a transmission out of an Ecto. We got shocks for the rear. These are off of the Gen 8 as well. I got that Red Cat to match this guy. There's the receiver. That's a skid out of an Ecto, so that transmission will bolt right on it. And there's a spacer for the trans in case I need it, which I don't think I will for this application. So that should get me a whole car here. So let's get going on this. So if you haven't put a kit together before, it's my understanding that your chassis width is determined by your skid. So I have my skid here and I have my two choices of chassis widths here. And we're gonna decide, see that one looks narrow. And this one looks correct. So this is gonna be my guy. So we're gonna bust these open. This is a pretty cool kit that even comes with the screws, so don't know how good they are. So I have a kit here. Probably be using most of my own hardware, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So let me get this mounted up. Alright guys, been doing some building and not much filming, sorry about that. But me, we got Mallory right here, me. Anyway, looks like this front we're gonna have to 3-link. So I've got the lower links on it. Hey! And then we're gonna need a track bar. So I've got a track bar mount there. I'm just gonna need one on the frame up here and to build some kind of track bar for it. And see if I can get one of these crazy links to work as an upper link on this side. Kyle's reworking the rear shocks so they don't hit the frame when we're flexed. So she's coming together here. Alright, big happenings here. Haven't been filming this for a minute, as you can tell. But yeah, we got all the electronics in it. I've got the front axle in it, and we're almost complete here. I just need to figure out how to 4-link off of my center mount here to the frame. Printed the servo mount off the Thingiverse. So got the old servo mounted up good there, and just gonna. Alright, we're bringing you back in for an update here on Kyle's build. Kind of put this thing away for a couple of months and forgot about it, and it's about time we get back to it. So between Matt and I, we figured out these front links. That was crazy. This Gen 8 axle sure made some difficulty in putting some links on this thing, but with some crazy spacing off the frame there to accommodate centering the upper links, we got her. So yeah, so that's all done. Build a custom steering link there out of some all thread, and these uppers are all thread as well. Got a tiny little front drive line in it. I need to still build the rear drive line. I just mounted the stance body, digging it with these wheels. The Amazon beadlocks and Hyrux Proline Hyrux guys here. But yeah, it's coming along. We'll get a driveline in this thing, and we'll be running this thing in no time. See how she does over there at our comp park. So let's get a driveline in it. All right, we got a driveline in it. She stands up on her own. It does want to topple over towards the body side. Let's see if she'll do it with the battery high. No, she won't do it with the battery high. Well, it's pretty good. It seems to have pretty good flex. So I think we're ready to go rip this thing. Let's go give her a try. It's Carl and Matt here. We're at our favorite crawler park, the Wardell Park in Bluffdale, Utah. We have Kyle's build is what we're calling this thing. It's an Injora LCG with a stance body, 1080 ESC, Vanquish 35 turn motor, and then most of it's Red Cat. It's Red Cat Gen 8 axles. And just been laying around. Yeah, just stuff we've had laying around, which is the cool thing about this build. It didn't cost us a whole lot of money. We just had it, threw it together out of the bones that we had just kicking around in the parts box. So yeah, we're over here to give it a whirl and see how it does. Kyle's not with us today, so Matt's gonna drive, I'm gonna film, and we'll show you what this truck's capable of. Off camera. She rubs on the stance body there a little. We could trim there, I guess. It's gonna lift, but she's pretty stable. Try to drive through that. I bet it holds. Yeah, I just gotta. Yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah, not terrible. tires left. You're into that wall. Traction.
It's like I get to the wall, I want to climb, but then
let's go swap tires. Okay, we happen to have a set of Proline Hyrox tires, 1.9. I don't know what height they are, but better than these guys, these mudslingers here. So we'll mount these up and we'll go back and try stairway out. Oh yeah, those things are gripping way better. This thing's never easy to climb, but there you go, little beam. Here we go, stairway with the Proline Hyroxes. Get at the hook. Oh. She's gonna climb it.
it's been a minute since I've done this one.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I've done this one too. So work it over.
Okay, slow.
Yeah, too far down.
There's too far down. I can get.
Think it's a wheelbase thing?
I think it's a wheelbase.
There you go. What's that? Alright, that's where we're going to leave it. Oh! Done. I broke it right off the servo. Oh, it broke
broke the mount.
Broke the mount. Well, so much for my 3D printed mount. That's not very tough stuff. Well, back to the drawing board for this truck.